So in this video we are going to see how we are going to install the new 500 kVA generator. In the video you are seeing that we have taken the one 500 kVA generator with a weight of 8 ton, which is taken by the truck from Gujarat. This is the Vigyan Engineering College where we want to install the 500 kVA generator. The weight of the 500 kVA generator is nearly the 8 ton, but here we use the two cranes with a 12 ton. One side is supported by the one crane, another side is supported by the another crane. You have seen in the video the belts are given by the manufacturer. So finally we operated the only single crane to place that generator on a bed. So the bed was constructed based upon the manufacturer or supplier instructions. So finally we kept the generator on a bed with the help of two cranes, each 12 ton. Really, all people are very done the hard work to take that a very high weight of generator from the truck to the bed. So whatever it is, at last we're trying to keep that generator in a suitable position on the bed. We kept some gap between the generator and surroundings so that the operator can move freely around the generator when the generator is operating. So in the video you have seen see how the people are adjusting that placement of generator on the bed.